Welcome to AbiBin Academy. Today, we will learn how to do running total and month-over-month variance with the help of Power BI DAX measures. As you can see, we have a table called Financials and I have a metrics visual placed over into the canvas. Now, before we start typing the measures, let's see how Power BI can help us creating a running total with the help of quick measure. So as you can see, this is the quick measure and we are going to select running total from totals region. Okay, select running total and it is asking to drag us two fields. One is the base value where you will place the sales amount, right? So I want to calculate running total based on sales amount and with the field date. All right, so I'll click on date from this particular section and let's keep it as descending. Click on add. Now you can see, so I'm just hiding quick measure. Now you can see there's a measure newly created by Power BI itself, sum of sales running total in date, right? So let's do one thing. Let's drag this measure to this values section of the metrics visual. So this is the newly created measure by Power BI quick measure and I'm going to drag it to here. All right, and you can see it has not generated running total as we expect. So how to do that with simple calculate and filter functions in DAX? Let's learn that. So I'm gonna discard this measure from the visual and I'm gonna click on new measure. So let's give a name to this measure as running total, right? Or running sales total. You can start with calculate and I need to sum the sales amount. Okay, I think it's automatically coming. So sum sales, close the bracket for sum, comma, filter, and I need to sum all the items, right? All the items. For example, if it is September, it's the same, but it's October, September plus October. If it is November, September plus October plus November, right? So all from the financials, close the bracket for all, comma, and then what I need to filter. So I need to take the maximum of date, okay, which is greater than and equal to the date. So what it does, it will automatically understand the maximum of each row, which will be the same row, and then it will sum backwards. So let's try. Close the bracket, commit the changes, and now select the visual and drag this running sales total measure here. You can see we have successfully placed running sales total field to this canvas.